This is going to be a review of the D&D Valen slash Klipen or Klipen toilet, if you want to call it. One piece dual flush toilet. Now, when you look upon the design, it's just pretty generic, kind of. I mean, many toilets here have this exact same look. So yeah, it's just really generic. Upon opening the lid, I guess, the toilet seat, you can see here there is quite a bit of damage here. There's cracks everywhere on this thing, on the base, everywhere on the trapway. There are cracks just everywhere. The trapway opening is a U shape with a trapway, a siphon jet facing towards the bottom. The trapway is unbelievably small. You can see there's cracks absolutely everywhere on this thing. It goes down here and curves around into the floor. Let's give it a flush. I will say that it is strong, but it lacks a lot. The flush isn't too interesting, but it's swirling, and I kind of like that, you know. We'll wait for this thing to fill up, and we'll do it overriding, I guess. Okay. I'll make sure that the fill valve actually stops. And now we'll override it. Basically what that is just pressing down on both of these buttons. So you can tell there's a huge difference in both of them. First, the bowl fills up a lot more with water, and yeah, I mean, that's really the only difference. Bowl rinse is crap. Let's take a look at the bowl rinse right after it fills up. Gonna stop any moment now. Now let's take a look at bowl rinse. So yeah, bowl rinse isn't the best. Gets more coverage around this side, or rather this half, and this half barely receives anything. Barely receives any bowl rinse. So I'll go ahead and do it again. This fills up. But this time I'm gonna save water. I'll throw it onto the here. Still spilling some water here. So yeah, rinse is okay on this side, but it gets worse on here. So let's close the lid up and we'll take a look. So that was the review. Wait, I forgot to score it. So, considering the, the crappy quality control that is everywhere, and the cracks just everywhere on this thing, if I can focus, the quality control is just not good. The flush is okay. It gets a pretty decent amount since the swirl's pretty good. But the bowl rinse is lacking a whole lot. It really needs to get more in here, around this area, rather than getting it all into here. I assume there would be blockages pretty much around this area, most of all. But I imagine that's because there's like a lot of cracks here, letting some of it, some of the water to escape. And that's not good. The quality control is horrible on this thing. So yeah, overall, pretty bad. The only redeeming point of it is that it swirls a whole lot. And that's just okay. That makes this thing okay. But it does clog on normal use. But anyway, that was the review of the Klipen / D&D Valen toilet. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.